Topic is about Ladkarna Degree College face careers and 40 lectures with draft. Ladkarna and mass transfer of 40 cents lectures from government degree college. Ladkarna has serious implication for ensuring regular classes as the few remaining teacher cannot copy with the Lord Complaint Lectures Association. The college principal had complained secretary of education in letter on October 28, 2020, which it transferred the teachers and badly impacted education in the biggest college in Ladkana region with around 8,000 enrollments in different disciplines. He said that currently 5,000 5,980 students were getting education in pre-medical, pre-engineer, computer and artists, and over 2,000 were enrolled in BSc the college. My topic, Michael Dunn newspaper. Degree college.
Today my topic missing ANP leader found it. He said that during interrogating the head confused to having the car from Asad Khan and having killed him. Asad Khan gave a lift to the leave the forest official who killed him 10 kilometers away from the killing Nosharo. Noshar dipped his body in the deep ditch. The DIG said the police team by visited the area recovered the body and shipped it to the civil hospital for the 5 month old body was later ANP joined Rashid Rashid Khan Nasser as the of Asad Khan and said Asad Khan is no more. His nobody is being recovered.
Today is my topic about chiefs of the government of want to help story West India to a defense for their world 20 till in India in October November. The Germans opens becomes games of the last for India and England on home test March. He was very nice of all as we have to the defense of the T20 was Cup World World Cup. The operation is for take your defense our best attempt to end before the four words. Today my topic complete.
Today my topic is Pakistan Navy. What is Karachi?
Karachi is port city of Pakistan.
Where is the headquarters of Pakistan Navy?
The headquarters of Pakistan Navy is in Islamabad.
Does the Navy fight from water?
Yes.
What does the Navy fight from air?
No.
What is the head of Navy? Navy called?
The chief of the naval staff is
Does the Navy fight from land?
no.
Today my topic is about Indian pilots said no need for hostel between neither neighbors house report. It has been taken from the newspaper. Karachi wing of Indian Air Force who was in Pakistan after his flight was torn down by a Pakistan Air Force PAF pilot and alert laid over to Indian as a place had said he way no reasons for uh, us the two night bring with any kinds of hostage in a report in a report on 2 years old patrols but reasons on straight down to the topic exam.